Food. No, that's not the whole video. Though food is one of the very few things that we all experience as humans. Whether you were born in the depth of the rainforest or the unforgiving Sahara deserts, we all eat food, right? We also love food. And by we, I mean us Syrians. Actually, in the MENA region, Syria shines out with its authentic and varied dishes as one of the best around. So, welcome to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. Today I'll be talking about some regional dishes that you can only find in Syria or in Syrian restaurants in your neighborhood. Once more, my name is Ozzy and I'm from Damascus, Syria. Before I start talking about food, which I know you're all waiting for, I need to do this for corporate so I can keep my job. Speak Real Arabic is a wonderful channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Anyways, I'm just joking. I actually have been having so much fun doing these videos for you guys. And if you hit that subscribe button, you let me know that you support me and that'll motivate me to make more awesome videos for everyone. So now let's move on to food. Since I'm from Damascus or Dimashq and slightly biased, I'll start with a Damascan or Dimashqi dish. This dish is called harra b'isba'u. I'm gonna say that again, harra b'isba'u, which means the burner and his finger. Yeah, I know, super weird name for a dish, huh? This dish is a mixture of some herbs such as parsley and lentils, some awesome sauces such as pomegranate molasses, and some pasta. You fry them up, put pita bread, you fry the pita bread, all mixed together in harmony. Now, I myself really have no idea how to make this dish, but I'm telling you, you can go watch Hala's video on Speak Real Arabic. I'll leave you a link down in the description on how to make this dish both in Arabic and in English. So check this one out, it will take your breath away. I'll say the name again, it is harra b'isba'u. We'll also write that in the description for you. Alrighty, moving on to Aleppo or Halab, which is actually the most famous for its food in Syria. But again, I'm biased. Anyways, it's really so hard to pick and choose from the dishes in Aleppo because there are so many of them and they're all so fantastically delicious. But I'll try my best to pick a few. So, one dish that you cannot mention Aleppo without talking about it is mahshi u kebab. I'll say that again, mahshi u kebab. Interesting tidbit here, Aleppo or Halab is often called al-mahshi u kebab, meaning the mother of mahshi and kebab. What's mahashi, you ask, or mahshi? Mahshi literally translates to stuffed or stuffed things or stuffed vegetables. You guessed it. One of the main thing in this dish is stuffed vegetables. You see, you take a special mix of basmati rice and spices. You prepare it for this meal. Then these are stuffed into aubergines, red or green bell peppers, and zucchinis. After that, those are then cooked with a pressure cooker to perfection. That's it, you think, right? Oh, no. Are you forgetting about the kebab part of mahashi and kebab? So, the second part of this dish, and some say it is the most important, is the kebab or kebab, as we say in Arabic. The kebab, and I had to Google this, by the way, are made from bulgur and meat. Apparently, you're supposed to soak bulgur in water until it holds together, then make them into like pepper-shaped shells, kind of like a bell. Inside this shell, you throw some spiced minced meat and close the shell. Once you're done, you fry the whole thing and serve it nice and easy next to the stuffed vegetables or mahashi, and there you go. You have a meal that is not only rich in flavor, but rich in proteins, carbs, and vitamins, or in Arabic, vitaminat. And I feel like I have to talk about one more dish from Aleppo that I feel if you don't mention, I'm gonna get in trouble. It's called mamounia, or in Arabic, ma'mouniye. I'm gonna say that again, ma'mouniye. Mamounia is the dessert that serves as the iconic Syrian breakfast. It consists of roasted semolina cream that comes straight from Aleppo and is actually rarely found anywhere else in the world. Ma'mounia is served barely warm, like lukewarm. It is the typical kind of comfort breakfast that we have. It warms the heart in the morning. You see, every house though makes it always differently. Some like it a little bit harder with less water, some like it a little bit softer so it's easier to chew, and some people like to add some garnish, like they decorate it with pistachios, peanuts, walnuts, and my personal favorite, coconut powder. Oof, I'm getting a little bit hungry just talking about this. Others, however, prefer to add some melted butter or olive oil, whichever way you prefer it. You really should not pass through Aleppo without trying this dish. I mean, if Aleppo is a bit too far away from you, then Google it, try to make it, and I've been told it's not that, but again, I really have the cooking abilities of a toddler. So I guess that is it for part 1 of Syrian dishes. There are so many of them that I couldn't really fit them all in one video, but you should look forward to some upcoming videos where I introduce you to more awesome Syrian dishes. For now, please hit that like button, and drop me a comment if there's anything in particular you'd want me to talk about. Once more, I am Ozzy, this is Speak Real Arabic, and I'll see you all soon.